good morning. What's up, YouTube? And how you all doing? It's a beautiful sunny morning and Saturday. It's an awesome day, guys. It's just fantastic day. Weather is nice and cool. It's about 7:30 in the morning. 67 Fahrenheit temperature. Look at that sunny right there. Sun is out, nice and cool. Nice morning sunrise. All right, guys, so the plan is we're going to Bastrop State Park, and we're gonna ride through some amazing back roads, and we're gonna ride over some of the hills at the park if it's open. So stay tuned, and as always, if you happen to be first time, subscribe, comment, like, share, and do whatever you want to do. And have a blessed day and have a good morning, and stay tuned for more videos for upcoming trip. Here is Bucky's in Katy, Texas, and we usually all meet up right here towards the car wash area. All right, so this is the group, guys. Here is the folks riding, and my buddy Alex here. Look, there's a lot of people here. So we're not all 16 going to the Bastrop. Some of them came just to say hi, and other people we split into two groups. All right, here is our second group. All right, guys, beautiful morning, and we all on our way. We kind of split into two groups today because of I think we have about 15 riders today, and we had I had some few friends. They showed up from the other group, so yeah, it was nice to see everybody. And here is everybody right behind me. Nice Texas Greenland. Here is some cows. Here is the water crossing, but looks like no water. Woo. Alright, guys, so we are here, our first stop for the day in Ellinger, Texas, and this is the place where they have a cafe, colache, and all that, some good stuff. So hopefully guys will grab something to go So that's where the bakery is, right here. Of course, stretch a little bit and so that's the bakery right there. You good? Yeah. This is the first half ride right here. This is it right here, and the other half is behind us. Alright guys, so look at this, all the bikes. GS, side by GS, Ducati, Kawasaki, CBR, BMW 1200 KT, BMW, Yamaha, and BMW. So look at all these bikes. This is the group we riding on with today. Tarek, he's leading the half group and I'm leading the other group. Come here. It's beautiful out there. Okay, here is everybody. Guys, we are almost getting closer to Bastrop. Definitely fun place to go. Look at all this nice scenic view in front of me. Oh my god, beautiful. Wow. We just took the access road so we can get into the park and kind of ride through some of those twisties. All right, that's where the fun part begins. Beautiful, look at this. Nice trail. Beautiful weather. Look at that, all the way up there. Nice trail. That's why I like coming to Bastrop. Alright guys, we just had some amazing time here in the park area near Bastrop. It's just fantastic group ride. A lot of amazing people. Here is all the group. Right here. And here is the other crew that just came. We're gonna hit the road. Drive safe, you all. Okay, yep. We stop at Bucky's, fill it up, and hit the road.
It's always good seeing you, my man. Be careful.
Don't take that off. If you do, just go behind the woods.
Oh yeah, no. There's nothing to show over here. Don't worry about it.
It's okay? Okay. Something happened?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh, look at this. They're doing a lot of restructuring. They had a huge fire here last year, I think. All the trees. Nice. Look at all these flowers. These are wildflowers. Another beautiful trail. We go all the way up there. This place is amazing. if I was close by here, I would be doing a lot of trail, off-road trails here. Just would have been just perfect. It's beautiful. Having a good time. Alright guys, so we are exiting this trail here, and we had such an amazing time. And I always say, subscribe, like, comment, share, and do whatever you want to do. But if you ride just like we all do, ride with the protective gears. Make sure you always have the helmet on and ride safe. Thanks guys, and we all see you on the next one.